All right, we're going with the potion bottle, crystal ball, then candle. Let's do this. How about the table and the chair after? A stool? Would you guys want that too? All right, all right. So should I keep it short or like go straight ahead? What do you guys want? Short lessons of individual videos or all together? Short video individual? Okay, okay. So I'm going to show you two ways for the potion bottle, okay? I'm going to use a cube. What? I don't know. Should I use a cube? Whatever. I could. Okay, hang on. I'm going to delete the cube. Here we go. Cylinder, yeah? Okay, okay. We'll go with cylinder, you're saying. Okay, cylinder it is. We have a couple options, guys. We're going to go. I'm going to make a cylinder here. Look. First thing you do with cylinder, take a close look here, please. Some of you are taking notes. I'm so impressed. I love that. Okay, the minute I add a cylinder, I have a short window to change the size. Right now my cylinder has 32 vertices here. So 32 cuts, 32 whatever, right? What if I half it? 16. Okay, see? 16. Okay? I don't know. I've never created this. So let me try it with a cylinder, okay? Here we go. The next thing I'm going to show you that's really cool here. Okay? Watch what I'm going to do here. I'm going to press object edit mode, right? You were all in using this when you were making the chess piece, right? This is why I think it's so important to create a chess piece first. Okay, so here we go. 1 is vertices, 2 is edge, 3 is face, okay? Now, if you guys have MS Teams open, you can look at your screens and see me right there in front of you as opposed to ruining your neck. So a couple things I can do here. I can add cuts, which is kind of easy. I can hold my left click, go up and down, right? So watch. The minute I make a cut, I'm going to leave. I'm going to press S just for the sake of it, and I'm just going to do that, just for once. This is kind of review from our rook. Next, here's another review. Inset, select this face. So see, I'm not in face mode, so I better go to face. Boom. Inset, down or out. I'm going to go down. Yeah, it looks like a barrel, doesn't it? See, glad you said that, because the barrel is exactly like this, buddy boy. Buddy boy. Look. So I just did that, right? So now if I press E for extrude, this is kind of cool, right? Look, right there, crash. Okay, so what I want you to think about when you're doing this, I want you not think of the details when you're modeling, okay? So when you're modeling, you're looking here going, what's the big idea? The big idea is like an oval shape, a long neck, and something sticks out here, okay? That's all I need to remember. I don't want to get in the weeds, meaning into the details, okay? So now if I hit extrude, which is right here, extrude, or E, goes like that, right? You did this for the chess piece, remember? Watch. Now I'm going to get out of it. I'm going to go to face mode. Watch this. Option right here. Why aren't you? Okay, there we go. I'll do this again. Watch. If I go to the two neighbors here, see, I got a vertical line. If I hold Option or Alt on Windows, boom. This is done. You did this during the chess piece. Now if I press extrude, I'm in trouble. Watch. See that? We don't want to do that. So there's another, if you see a little triangle here, this is the one you use for the chess piece. Extrude along normals. Means extrude along the faces pointing out. Let me try this now. I'm going to point in. Look at that. Nice, right? That's cool. So right now, this is really weird looking bottle, okay? Here's where we start fixing. We get out of this mode. We come in here. Go in here, for example. This is edges, right? Watch again. If I hold Alt or Option, left click, see? Now I have this whole loop selected. Beautiful. If I press S and push in, ooh, that's nice. Alt left click, spin around, look around, hold Shift, middle scroll, looking around, press S, right? So you go out or in like that. Soften it out. Okay? So I'm going to come to the bottom here, Alt left click, which is Option left click on a Mac, press S. I'm going to bring this down. Okay, so as I'm looking here, if I press 1 only on the numpad, right? If you don't have a numpad, you can't do this. You got to go over here. View, viewport, front, back. So it's Control plus, Command 1, I mean, and that does it. Okay, so there's the views. I'm looking at this. I'm not super impressed with it, right? Whatever. That's okay. We got to take it slow, okay? So look at what I'm going to do here. I'm going to bring the loop cut now. Nice. Some of you are taking notes. I love it. If I add a loop cut here, now I have the option at this point to press S and just softly, just slowly round it out. Slowly. Ishan, can you stick to my lessons, please? Thank you. Here. Loop cut again. Down here. 1 cut. So avoid making a million cuts. Please, I beg you, don't do it. Students start making so many cuts right off the front and they get lost with all these loops. See what I mean? I'm simplifying, guys. Look. Now I'm going to go into 3D and I'm going to say that is super weird up here. Look. Am I making a torch or something? I have no idea. So if I hold Alt here, boom, the whole loop is selected. So the next thing, remember, I'm in Move, right? So I can use my hotkeys. S. See where the spider web is? If I push in, it goes inwards. Nice. Look at that. Or out if I want. Nice. So now I'm looking at this gang. Hey, buddy, you're too wide. Too wide. Press S again. Look where my mouse was. I'm going to do this again. My mouse is up here, right? If I'm really close, it's hard to do this. Look, if I press S, see? I have a spider web. Bring the spider web in. Nice. Here. Alt. Option. Left click. Same thing. Press S. Something like that. So you see what I'm doing? So I'm kind of like sculpting this to have fun with it. Okay, so look what I'm going to do here. I'm going to come in here again. Alt left click. Make that smaller, Balian. S. Okay, push in. It goes smaller. So just about there. Whatever, okay? It's all good. All right? See? This is way too wide. So watch. There's another way to do this too, right? I could go to faces now. I'm just showing you different methods. If I left click on the vertical edge here. Look at that. See that? Okay, I can press S. Look, it goes down here. See that? S. So there's so many ways I could do the same thing. I could go to face here, press S again, Balian. Oh, look at this, too close. But it works sometimes. So see, I'll do it again. Watch. So if I'm going to hold my mouse out here, I'm going to press S for scale. Manuel, is it okay? Yeah, cool. Thank you. Look, like that. How nice is that? Okay, so now we look out. Walk away from it, look at it from a distance, going, okay, that's not bad, not bad. Right? Now, if I inset again, watch this now. I'm going to go like this just for fun. Okay, look, I just did an inset, right? Walk away. This is what I mean by walk away. Now, if I just push my blue axes here down, look what it does. Up, down. That's simple, folks. It's that simple, okay? See that? Okay. If you want a notch in the middle of the stem here, of the neck of this, you just come in here and add another loop cut. Done. So if I want to taper this, I press S. See? Go in like that maybe, okay? And what's cool is, this is a new one. I haven't shown you guys this one before. If I press GG, double G, you can slide this anywhere you want. Look, I can bring it all the way here. See what I'm doing? It slides perfectly. And then I press S. This is a good one in your notes, guys. This is a really good one to remember, okay? Watch this. If I hit Option left click, GG, it slides. What? What? That is awesome, right? Look how nice that is. So you can do whatever you want. So roughly, this is it. So if I want to add that cork stopper in here or have a jewel top, watch what I'm going to do here. I'm going to go to face, click here. That's it. Now, if I want, I could inset again. Okay, I can do as many of these as I want, but look what I'm going to inset a bit here. And then I can move it down, whatever I want to do, down or up. Okay, there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this guy right down, go into wireframe, press S to scale it. Look, down. Look at that. Scale, baby. Scale out, in, and then push it down. You know what I'm going to do next, right? I'm going to go into shade it again. Now if I press E for extrude, watch what happens. E. Boom. I hit it. You see that? It extruded out of that face. Now if I press S for scale, look what I could do here. Like that. How nice is that, right? And then I could bring the whole thing down. Okay, I could do that. I can even rotate it, Balian. Balian, you can rotate it, see? How nice is that? Whatever. Okay, so roughly, in my opinion, this is a good start. Now, the other thing I want to show you is, I want to add a little bevel over here, okay? I don't want these flat edges right there. Watch this. Bevel. Out. Nice. Just a little bit, okay? And now I'm just going to add an extra cut here. Ding. There you go. Done. Move. We're out of there. See? So to me, this would be a potion bottle or some kind of bottle, whatever you can make your own design. But roughly, I made this from a cylinder. Okay? And then what I want to see here is this. Last thing. Double click. Potion bottle. There's my accent for you guys. Okay, I'm going to stop this right here, and that's 10 minutes right here. Stop. Boom.